TikTok is the new rage. In this video, I will tell you how to use TikTok for business. It will be a step-by-step guide which includes marketing strategy for TikTok. People ask me, what is the next big thing? My answer is TikTok marketing. TikTok will single-handedly become the world's largest marketing site. It has now become a hotspot for companies like Nike, NBA, Samsung to market. The High Court of Madras recently banned TikTok. You know something is trending when it gets banned. The rise of TikTok has been even faster than the collapse of the Indian batting in World Cup semi-finals. I have to be honest here. I too thought TikTok, like many others, was just hype and will soon be gone. It has blown up to over 500 million users and 1 billion downloads. Everybody from your neighborhood friend to your movie stars are using and talking about it. About 6 months ago, I saw my neighbor's kid dancing to some music on his phone. Little did I know he would go on to become a star in such a short while. This is the power of TikTok. TikTok has grown from strength to strength. It has brought out the fun and wild side in me. You know, I see a great similarity between you and Lauren Gray, which is the world's most famous TikToker, and Riaz Ali, the top TikToker in India. Both of you started with 0 followers and have a burning desire to become famous. In this video, I am going to tell you step by step how to grow a popular, profitable TikTok channel. Step number 1, picking the right area or profile. TikTok is full of actors, singers, dancers, etc. Many YouTubers out there will tell you to make content based on latest trends and hashtags. That does not work in the long run. TikTok is all about being unique. A TikToker from Theni, Tamil Nadu just posted short videos of him taking care of his fields. He has become immensely popular. Lauren Gray is more popular than Jennifer Lopez, not because she is a better singer. She stands out by being herself. Don't follow trends, be the trend. Step number 2, decide your target audience. All top TikTokers know who is their target audience. Only if you know who you are targeting can you make the content that they will like and share. I am sharing the overall user types to help you filter out easily. 87% of all TikTok users are Gen Z. Over 40% are Indians and 18% are Americans. 56% are female. 70% of users use Insta and Facebook too. Step number 3, creating content. Let your content change the world and not the world change your content. Have you copied assignments in exams and scored higher than the person you copied from? Comment and tag that loyal friend below. But it does not work like that in TikTok. You have to be original and entertaining. TikTok is mainly a youthful and fun platform. Serious and boring content fails here. Number 4th step is understanding TikTok algorithm. TikTok uses AI, artificial intelligence, to suggest videos on the basis of hashtags, keywords, location, post, which your user liked or commented, and many other parameters. Related videos will pop up. Now, let us leave all the technical terms and get to the fun part. Let us analyze some TikTok campaigns to understand what works. TikTok is for fun, quirky videos. Calvin Klein learned this the hard way. To promote their account, they hired big celebrities like Canadian singer Shawn Mendes, model Kendall Jenner. Then they posted videos featuring these stars in Calvin Klein clothes, answering random questions from their channel. No background music, no entertainment, just plain videos. This is like sending Rahul Dravid to play the last 5 overs in a T20 match. The Washington Post is a famous news channel who recently joined TikTok. Many of us would think Washington Post as a serious, even boring channel. But its account took TikTok by storm. Surprisingly, newspaper used its account to post comic, behind-the-scenes videos and skits from the newsroom. TikTokers took to it like Akshay Kumar took patriotic film. So far, it has managed to get 19 million likes. This shows how a fun, youthful company failed and a boring old company succeeded with the right tricks. We all love dancing, even though we may not be particularly good at it. But then again, not everyone has to dance like Prabhu Deva. Pepsi used that to its gain by making Tiger Shroff and Disha Patni dance to the lyrics "Har Ghoot Mein Swag Hai." Pepsi India converted this TV ad into the challenge on TikTok under the name #SwagStepChallenge. In this challenge, they danced to the song and the users on TikTok were challenged to copy their dance moves for the original song. At the end of dance steps, users drank Pepsi with their fingers encircling around the bottle, making a swag sign. This campaign was a huge success. Hashtag got over 17 billion views on the platform and it increased sales too. You might have noticed brands are paying some popular users to promote their products. These are influencers. A person who influences potential buyers of a product or service by promoting or recommending the items on social media is called an influencer. Everybody from Virat Kohli to Chetan Bhagat is an influencer. Influencers on TikTok work differently than Insta or Facebook. Now, in the list of popular influencers on TikTok, you can't find your favorite actor or cricketer. In TikTok, outside popularity does not matter. People who are entertaining like Riaz, Arshifa, etc. are more popular. Content is truly king here. So why do celebs have fewer followers despite being more famous than the teenagers? The number of followers on any social media platform is not just proportionate to your reach, but there are few other factors that affect the number of followers. Check out my video on how to get more followers for free in the end. The link is in the description. On Instagram, Amitabh Bachchan has just 14.1 million followers. This does not mean that Varun Dhawan, 26 million followers, is more famous than a beloved superstar. So what really makes the difference? When you look at their Insta ID, you see a huge difference in the number of posts. Big B has around 441 posts, while Dhawan has 1612 posts, which is 4 times of Big B. Posting regularly will help you increase your visibility amongst the public. Most of the regular TikTok users have more than 1000 uploads. Many of us know Shilpa Shetty as she is a famous Bollywood actor. She has a TikTok account which has around 11 million followers for 70 uploads. Now take Riaz, he has 29 million followers for about 1400 videos. His uploads are approximately 20 times of the actress. This is another reason you can see a significant difference in their followers. As a beginner, the key is to post more consistently. Who you are out there in the real world makes no difference to your popularity on TikTok. Another unique thing about TikTok influencers is they collaborate a lot. Pepsi's campaign involved more than 15 top influencers, including Riaz, Aves and Nisha. This leads to a viral effect as they have more than 50 million followers combined. This makes content viral very fast. This is also considerably cheaper than working with actors who charge 100 times the amount. This does not mean there is no demand for smaller size influencers. EA, the leading gaming company, launched one of its popular games, FIFA 20. For promoting it, EA collaborated with less popular influencer, Indy Koi, a freestyle soccer player. The campaign was an instant hit thanks to her creative videos. Unlike Insta, where influencers are paid on per post basis, TikTok pays per views. This means influencers are likely to be highly involved as their pay is proportionate to the success of the video. Now let us see some top tricks which nobody else will share to make the most effective TikTok marketing strategy. Number 1. Challenges. At some point or the other, we too have done some viral challenge. It all started with ALS, Ice Bucket Challenge, where people poured ice cold water over their heads to raise awareness about the syndrome. It started the viral trend that has gone on to become the most popular marketing tool and content creator for TikTok. From the bottle cap challenge to the seek don't hide challenge, everyone is doing it. Initially, do a few of these challenges as these videos are likely to be shown on other users' feed and will increase your popularity quickly. Number 2. In-feed native ads. TikTok generates revenue by allowing brands to show their ads to its users. The videos on TikTok are 15 seconds long. So these ads should be of 15 seconds. These ads appear in between the videos. And can take the whole screen. Ads are relatively lesser in number and can be effective with TikTok. AI is used for targeting, which makes it more effective. Check out my blog for more info on how to make ad campaign with greater ROI. Link is in description. Number 3 is brand takeover ads. They play as soon as you open the TikTok app, and when you click on these ads, they redirect you to the brand's official website. TikTok can generate a considerable amount of revenue from these ads. However, TikTok ensures that no user sees more than one brand takeover ad per day. Number 4 is branded lenses. People are always looking for funky and cool filters, and TikTok is making the platform more interactive, more enjoyable with 2D, 3D, augmented reality branded lenses. These lenses, along with the hashtag challenge, can make the campaign engaging. TikTok allows a brand to make its lenses. Number 5, scratch to get coins. How exciting would that be if you could get some TikTok coins every time you use some service or buy some product? Or if you get coins when you use Google Play or Paytm to pay for services. Well, TikTok coins can open ample options for collaboration with different brands. For example, when you pay using Paytm, you get some TikTok coins. Buy a Coke and scratch the coupon on its label to get coins. This keeps you coming back for more. More importantly, it keeps you always engaged in some way or the other with TikTok. Still thinking whether or not to join TikTok? Keep thinking. TikTok is for the go-getters. Hopefully, I've given you the platform to start your journey as a TikToker. Like Brad Pitt says, there are 2 rules for TikTok. Rule number 1, always stay original and never give up. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. I would love to hear your opinion and answer your queries. Like, share and subscribe to my video and the channel. And don't forget to tap the bell icon. Thank you for watching.